there, sports cards fans. Check this out. We have a beautiful big box, says Fragile on the side, that we just got back from CSG. Inside that box is over 250 graded sports cards from the 50s, 60s, up to the 90s. An incredible collection coming up from one of our consigners in auctions just the coming weeks. These guys took a lot of time to make sure that this is done properly and safely. There is a stamp with a date and a location showing everywhere that's been sealed by the tape. It's registered mail, it's signed for, it was done really, really, really well. Now they're busy, it's taking a long time to get them back, but when it comes back, this is a really good start to what it's gonna look like. Now let's open it up and then we'll go inside and take a look at some more. All right, the time has come. Let's cut this guy open, take a look at what's inside, how it's packaged, see how they care for it. We're gonna open up this razor knife a little bit, gently score all of the different sides. One, oops, two, all right. So peeking inside, here's our first look at the delivery. Some heavy duty bubble wrap. Here is our series of pages. Just got back from CSG. I'm not gonna peek yet, but I wanna take a look and show you what it looks like. We have a series of smaller inner boxes. Okay, this says 5 of 5, completely sealed. All the barcoding and tracking information that they use in their facility. Absolutely pristine condition. Really, really well handled. So we'll cut inside now in this inner box and take a look at what's inside. All right. Turn it around, have a look. And there they are. Bunch of cards. Looks like some may not have gotten graded for whatever reason. We're gonna dive into all of these one by one. We're gonna show you. I see a lot of different gradings here. 7.5, there's a 9, a whole bunch of different things that's worth taking a look at. Yogi Berra, Alkaline. Very excited. It's gonna be an amazing series of auctions coming up, but I want you to see this is an example of what the box looks like. There are 5 total that came back from the grading. Here's number 4 of 5. Take a peek inside, you can see that this is how it all comes packaged. Super heavy duty carton, make sure that they didn't get any damage getting shipped back. So I'm really, really impressed with how they package it. They did a good job.